Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. Miss Callie Cat's over there on the bed chewing on her foot. She looked at me, she's like, what are you doing? Y'all, today we have a Boxy, and I think it's a Boxy Luxe. I could have sworn I'd already opened a Boxy Luxe, but maybe I didn't. I do not know. If you don't know, Boxy is a makeup and beauty subscription. They have 3 different ways you can get it. You either have to subscribe to the base or the premium, and then you have the option of switching out the Luxe quarterly for one of those 2 boxes. So if you want the base box, they send you 5 full-size products. You pay $27.99. They send you a value of up to $210 worth of products. You get to pick one of them. So that's one option you have. Or you can do the premium, where you get 6 full-size products for $39.99. You get to pick 2 of those. You can replace whichever one of those 2 with your Luxe, and it is a quarterly box, so it comes 4 times a year. Each box is you can get 8 full-size products. It is $59.99, which, you know, that's adding in that $1.99 fee. And it's a quarter. You get to pick 2 of them. Yeah, I just blanked. I know I do that a lot. So yeah, quarterly box, and I guess that's what I'm fixing to open because it's here. If you would like to try Boxy, I do have a referral code I will put over here, but I also have a link I'll put down below if you just want to click on the link, and that will give me I think it gives me like charm points to where I could get stuff in the store. If you do that, I really appreciate it. Let's open the box. All right, so here is my box, and what do I do with my scissors? Oh. We'll get there, y'all. Here we go. Hashtag Boxycharm. Boxycharm. Maybe it's not a Boxy Luxe. I don't know. Let's see what it says. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's got 8 products in here. Ooh, it smells good in here. Fall Luxe 2022. And then it has all my products listed on the back. I'm gonna get them all out of the box. I'll be right back. Y'all, did I get a purse? What? Hang on. Let's open this up and see what's going on here. Henny and Lev. They sent me a purse in my Boxy Luxe. That's a first. I mean, it's cute. It's long. Let's see. All right. Let's open this thing up. Okay. It's cute. It opens up a lot bigger than I thought it would. At first I was like, oh, I couldn't carry that, but actually I think I could. It's got a pocket right here. There's even pockets on the inside. There are 2 pockets. 2 pockets on the inside right there. Let's see what it says. Henny and Lev Danielle Tote Bag. Who doesn't need an everyday tote? Look no further. This easy day to night transition tote fits a small laptop, phone, or other essentials. Do not hesitate to take this tote to drinks right after work. Handcrafted by Gorgeous Pew, P-U. The MSRP on this is $129.99. I thought it felt nice. It feels like that leathery. It's made in China. I was looking at labels and things. That's pretty nice. I mean, I do wish it had a closure of some sort, but $130 purse. Yay! Put this down here. Alright, let's keep going. This is the other thing that I was like, what is this? What is this? What is this? It's the Zendo palette. Ooh. Okay. Too excited. This is my first full-size Natasha Denona palette. All the other ones I've had were those 5-pan palettes. This one, ooh. I love Natasha Denona. I really do. So this is the Zendo eyeshadow palette, a warm and cool toned palette inspired by the ambience where nature meets minimalist architecture, a mixture of elements that conveys peacefulness and tranquility. It features 15 iconic Natasha Denona pressed pigment eyeshadows, including a range of brown and beiges to pink and coral shades, complemented with teal, mint, and green hues. The perfect balance and color combination to create warm and cool, everyday, bold, and expressive looks. The MSRP on this is $69. We're gonna have to bust this one open because I want it. I'm so excited. I don't know if y'all can see. It does have writing on there. Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay. Let me cover. It's got a full mirror. Look at that, y'all. I don't know why I hold them upside down. Oh my goodness. Oh, beautiful. Should we swatch them? We should. We should swatch. Oh. Can y'all see that? That green shimmer in there? Oh my goodness. Oh. Look at those. Look at those. Oh my goodness. Alright. Do some mattes too. But not all mattes. Oh, they're so pretty. They're so pretty. Pretty, pretty. Let's do flow and luster and scents. Oh, they're just lovely. Y'all can tell I like the shimmers. It's what I reach for. Let's do zeal and balance and calm. They're very pretty. Look at that. I know I didn't swatch them all, but I swatched a good bit of them. I am gonna enjoy playing with this. I'm just looking to see how I look. Oh, so lovely, so nice. $69 palette. Beautiful, just beautiful. All right, what's next? This one is kind of open. QVEEN Studio. Queen, is it supposed to be? Partners in Crime Lip Liner Duo. Indulge your inner bad bee. The rich, buttery formula of this lip liner duo delivers a high pigment payoff and seals in moisture for comfortable, long-lasting wear. The MSRP on this is $18. So there's a look at the box, and the colors are Spray Tan and SOS. To throw that box out, it's not worth trying to keep. All right, so there it is, and look, the colors are just very on the tip. Let's look at Spray Tan. I love liners. I love lip liners. Oh, that's nice. That'd be great for the fall. Oh, look at that one. Oh, that's bright. That is so very bright. Fun. So they're nice. They're creamy. I don't know how well they'll stay. Alright, why is everything open? LVS Beauty LVS Think Bright Glow Hydrating Serum. I like the design on the box. It's cute. LVS Beauty Think Bright Glow and Hydrate Serum with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Instantly awaken dull, uneven skin with this weightless, radiant boosting serum that's sure to brighten and quench your skin's thirst. Infused with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, this face serum is the secret to supple, youthful looking skin. The MSRP on this is $28. Oh wow, it's pretty. It's one of those things you want to sit on the counter and not move. Let's see. Me, I can't resist. That's lovely. Doesn't really have a smell. Nice serum. Can't complain about that. Okay, let's see what's next. Oh, we got a spongelle. I'm affiliated, by the way. There is a link below if you want to buy some spongelles. This one is Honey Blossom. I've had this one before. I do like this one. This is the soap buffer. So what they are, they're infused with soap. So you put them in your shower and it's like a sponge that's infused with soap. These are the flower shaped ones. They're so good, y'all. 99.9. I'm taking a shower, it's with a spongelle of some sort, form, or fashion. I love these things. So the beloved Honey Blossom fragrance, adorned in this charming gift box, marries warm honey with blooming lavender for a heavenly bathing experience. The iconic fluffy bath sponge and body polishing exfoliator coalesce with our silky honey for the signature favorite amongst spongelle enthusiasts. MSRP is $18. Oh, I do love these. And as my friend told me, they're great for kids. If they sit there and put out all the hand soap, let them wash with these. They get plenty of soap off of them and they're not wasting a whole bunch. Very nice. Is this what I think it is? It's McGrath Labs, because yeah, there's glitter in there. McGrath Labs comes in glitter. I don't know why. This is the Eyedols Eyeshadow Ombre in something. McGrath Labs Eyedols Eyeshadows. I can't pronounce this stuff. This cult classic creme de la creme of Mother's iconic shadows, now starring solo and seductive singles in a tantalizing array of textures and hues. The MSRP on this is $25. And let's hope sequins don't go everywhere. Because yeah, that's what's in there. Those sequins. Alright, so this is Rose Venus, is what it says. Is that a seal? Is that why that's sticky there? Okay. Look how pretty. Oh my goodness. Yeah, there's a reason that these are so sought after. Wow. Wow. Oh wow. Yeah, I'm in love. I love that. Look at my finger. It's just amazing. That's some pigment right there. Some beautiful, shiny gorgeousness right there. Oh, okay. Gotta calm myself. Gotten some good stuff. Let's see. This is Make Serum Balm. There's my remote. Make Serum Balm Hydrating Lip Treatment. This serum lip product provides instant hydration while softening, smoothing, and plumping. formulated with a natural lip volumizing ingredient derivative from biomolecules extracted from pomegranate flowers, along with liquefied jojoba wax. This lip conditioning treatment adds luxurious, long-lasting shine and cushion. The MSRP on this is $26, and it is new to Boxy. Okay, it's Pink Cerise, C-E-R-I-S-E. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, wow. Got a big old applicator. No smell. What do we think? I can't see it. Of course, I put it over the top of what was left of my lipstick too. It does feel good on. We'll see if it plumps as I keep going. All right, I think I've got one more product, and this is also new to Boxy. This is Beauty Bio Bright Eyes Deep Puffing Brightening Eye Gel. Stay in place cooling eye gels help depuff, brighten, and fill in the appearance of fine lines to rescue the delicate under eye skin from the effects of stress, sleepless nights, and red eye flights. Like I ever take red eye flights. It is a $28 value. So these are some gels that go up under your eyes. Oh, a bunch of them. How many's in here? Box of 8 pairs. There they are. So that's great. There's enough in there that I can try some and I can give some in giveaways. That's awesome. And 20% off with code Boxycharm on the Beauty Bio website. So get you some discounts, y'all. What do we think? I mean, I thought this was a pretty good box. You've got eye masks. You've got the Great Spongelle, the Pat McGrath that I'm still going wow about. You've got this lip serum, the 2 lip liners, and the Think Bright Glow Hydrating Serum. Not to mention the Natasha Denona palette and the $130 purse. I think this was a great box. What do y'all think? I mean, I'm kind of blown away. Yeah, I'm tickled pink, because this right here is worth more than I paid. So's the purse. Great value, great price. I love Boxy. And they have such great sales. You get stuff for like 70-80% off. It's so awesome. I love Boxy. So I do want to hear what y'all think. If you like what I got, if you tried any of it, if you want to try any of it, all the good stuff, just comment below. And while you're down there, I'd really appreciate if you would consider subscribing to my channel. It's absolutely free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You just press that little red subscribe button down there. Don't forget to tell your friends about the channel. Press the share button to put it on your social media. Please give this video a thumbs up. Press that notification bell. And if you want to donate to your creator to tip me, there are 2 different ways to do that now. There is the super thanks down below. It's like giving a tip to me through YouTube, or you can buy me a cup of coffee. There's a link below for that if you want to do that. So thank you so very much, y'all. I hope you have a wonderful day, and God bless.